Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Brett Madigan and this is my unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Flight wireless gaming headset. Sorry, this is weirding me out. Let's open the box, shall we? Okay, so let's have a look at the box. At the top we've got PC, PS4, PS4 Pro. Not too sure why this doesn't really work with the Xbox line of consoles, so that's kind of interesting. We can have a look at that in the review. You've got the label of what it is, you've got the gaming grade wireless headset with long lasting battery life. Down the bottom you've got a 30-hour battery logo, certified for TeamSpeak and Discord with a 2-year warranty. On the side, let me just sort of fix focus, that should be okay. We've got that it's officially sponsored by a lot of esports teams, which is kind of cool. Underneath that, there's information about the battery life for the LED modes, on, breathing and off, also shown in other languages. The battery information tells us it's a 3.7 volt, 1500 milliamp hour Li-ion battery, and the wireless frequency is the 2.4 gigahertz band. And let's have a look at the back here. So at the back, let me just play around with focus if it really wants to work, sort of. There we go. All right, so on the back here, we've got, again, PC, PS4, PS4 Pro ready, intuitive audio and mic controls. So that's on the left and right ear cups with a detachable microphone. At the bottom, we have more certifications or ticks for supported programs. Now, it says the headset works for mobile, Xbox One, Xbox One X, yet it doesn't work with the microphone. So for me, that's kind of interesting because, hold on, let me just play around with focus again. Sorry, I'm doing this manual focus. It's actually kind of weird, but yeah, I'll play around with that because I really want to see if it works with my mobile, because I've got the Cloud 2 headset that for whatever reason, if I plug it in to my phone, it doesn't actually want to work. So I'll see if HyperX has actually fixed that issue with this headset. Let me just try and get the sleeve off. Wow, this is weird. Oh, there we go. Chuck that over there because we don't need it anymore. All right, so the first thing you'll see when you open it up is the sort of handy dandy little leaflet that says, congratulations for joining the HyperX family. Same sort of thing here with, yep, so how to contact them, cool story, and a quick start guide. If you don't know how to plug in a headset, then that will help. All right, so if we take this out of the box, try not to break everything. There we go. All right, so in the box, I'll just put that aside for a sec. So in the box, after you've taken it out, you'll have the USB, or the sort of wireless signal USB thing, as well as the detachable microphone, which it bends in all the ways that you would want it to, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, ooh. I don't know if it'll be picking up anything from the back side, so that's something that I could probably test. Is there anything else in the box? No. All right, cool. All right, close you, put you aside. All right, now let's go ahead and have a look at the actual main event itself. So here we've got some kind of cable. I'm assuming that's, yeah, okay. So that will go into the headset, like so, and then go into your PS4 or your console of choice, or even your mobile phone. And the microphone goes in like so. Okay, so it's got to be one specific way, which is kind of interesting. So it goes in like that. Sorry, you're a little bit out of focus right now. There we go. So yeah, that's the headset, and it swivels 180 degrees if you want to pack it away or whatever. I prefer the ones that sort of, I've only seen this once, and that was with, oh, I'll have it on the screen, I can't remember it at this time, but basically the adjustable strap things for your ears came out, and it made, putting that into a bag a lot easier than, this. I don't think this is actually, I don't know, I've always had a problem with this, like it's just gonna sit like that. I don't know, I feel like if there's any pressure on these points here, it would just snap. So that's why I don't really like it when headsets do that, especially when they're bowed like this. But anyway, let's have a look at this other cable. We don't want to eat that. Chuck that aside. So yeah, that's the cable that you would plug into your remote, so your PS4 controller, or just directly into your mobile phone. I'll actually do that now. Hold on. All right, so I've got the Sony Xperia X right here. So right at the top, plug that in. Find the little hole at the bottom here, plug you in there. And let's go ahead and play some music. I'll have this off screen so you don't actually see what I have on here, but let's go with this one here. Does it work? Oh yeah, cool. There you go. So you'll be able to hear that. Not bad, not bad. At least it actually works. I'll give them credit for that. So what's this? This is... Okay, so this is the USB port that you'll use to charge the headset. Let's see how long it is. So I'm just gonna try and do this pretty quickly because I've got other things to do, but whoa, it's, you know, 1 meter long. That's not too bad. You don't really need a long cable for a headset like this. On the left ear cup, it's got mic and headphone jacks, a micro USB port, power, and a mute button. And on the right ear cup, we have a volume rocker. So first impressions of the headset. Now I've used it for about 20 minutes and I can say that I do enjoy using the headset, though there are some little quirks that sort of bug me a little bit. And they are when I'm taking the headset off my head, the ear cups swivel way too easily. And on top of that as well, when I take the headset off and go away, come back, it's difficult for me to tell which side's left or right, besides actually looking at the indicators on the sides of the ear cups. Obviously, you can see that there is no actual indicator or even like an LED indicator that will tell the user how much battery's left. So that's one thing to take into consideration. And another thing on top of that is that none of these actual hardware buttons, so the volume rocker, the mute, and the mic, you can't use when using a mobile phone. So I don't know, that's just, oh, that bugs me so much because being a $229 headset, I don't know if PlayStation have some sort of deal with them, but I would like something that expensive to be an overall headset. Like I can use it on PS4, Xbox One, PC, mobile phones, and use the mic and, you know, the volume rocker and all that perfectly fine. That would be amazing, but I can't. Now, going to the Cloud 2, for example, there are no actual hardware buttons, but I can use the microphone on my mobile phone. So that's something to consider if you're looking to get a new headset. My main problem though is with the sound quality. So when I'm listening to anything like rock music or metal or even metalcore, the cymbal noise sounds very tinny, whereas my Cloud 2 headset doesn't do that. It sounds more bassy, more oomph in the sound. Now, I prefer that. I prefer the whole added bass or simulated added bass. So I prefer that in this headset. I don't know, going from the Cloud 2 to this, I like this design way better than this because in the past, I've had headsets snap here when I'm trying to use it or even just pick it up. It'll snap, but it is a decent approach to have a metal sort of adjustable strap here, so that's good. But being that the entire thing is made out of plastic and it doesn't feel premium like their other headset, like this one here, where the entire mechanism is entirely made out of steel, I believe. It just feels way more premium than this headset, but this one costs way more. So that's something to consider as well. Yeah, would I prefer this headset over my Cloud 2 at this point? Probably not, because as I see it, it doesn't really offer anything other than lack of squishy noises. No, but I just feel like this headset is more premium than this one here. Even though this one is wireless, it's, you know, $229, whereas that headset is $169 or $129 depending on where you go, but it also drops down to like $69, $89 quite a bit. So at this point, I probably wouldn't recommend this headset for newcomers, but I'll save my actual impressions or what I've experienced with the headset for my review. But anyway, my name is Brett Madigan. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to support me, you can head over to patreon.com/madigan. Thank you to everyone that's currently supporting me.